Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I have a very special video for you today because it is coming and is made out of Canadian brands. And why it's so? This is because my lovely friend Leah McDonald here on YouTube also, she had the kindness and she has sent me a lovely friend mail all the way from Canada, and she has sent me some goodies and some makeup. And guys, if you are not following Leah, I will link her channel down below. She's a lovely person. She has an amazing personality and she does makeup tutorials. She also does unboxings. She does reviews. Now she's not so much uploading. When we meet each other like a few years ago, she and I had more dynamic uploads, but now she's more caught in her job and kids and family. She's not so much uploading, but I hope she will come back with more content because I really love her channel. So I'm going to link her lovely channel down below. I want to thank her for the kindness of sharing a piece of Canada with me. Love you, Leah, so much. And now let's get back to the actual tutorial. Guys, before we are starting, maybe we should give it a shout out to this Living Proof Curl Definer, which I got not long ago from a Cult Beauty Edit hair box. It is amazing. I have used it for the first time last night and I didn't need to add a actually air foam. So this is very good for curly hair, and look at my curls, they are very bouncy. Yeah, I'm not surprised about Living Proof. I know they have amazing products. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope I did not forget to record the intro. Maybe I should start with the beginning. Leah and me, we are friends here on YouTube from over 3 years. I think she was with me from the beginning and probably she never missed a video of mine. She was the first one that I was connected with on this platform. I don't know, when I started I was feeling like I'm a small fish in a big pond, or on a big pond, and somehow we found each other and we create a connection. We found that we like the same things and we are on the same wave. I don't know, I think you know what I mean when you find a person that it's really on your on your frequency. We became friends. We started to text and exchange emails. Leah, she is from Canada, as you already know, and she is the mother of 4 lovely children, and she lives in Ontario. She's a certified makeup artist and she also has a website. So I will put down below in my description box her website, so if you are from Canada, so around that area, you can contact her. And besides makeup, she was really kind and look what she sent me. She sent a pair of socks with Canada, the maple tree leaf. For my husband, she sent a keychain and some badges for my children. And she also sent me 2 natural soaps. So they are made in Canada. I think they are handmade, they don't say, with organic Canadian maple syrup is one of them. This I want to eat it, it smells so nice. And this one is with vanilla orange. Starting with the base, first I want to add a primer. I don't know why. I fell in love with this primer by Fenty. I have it from some time in my collection, but I wasn't reaching too much for it upon a while. And I also love it that it works with my e.l.f. powder foundation. I don't know if that video is up already. So she sent me a foundation by a Canadian brand, Annabelle, and I have heard about Annabelle before from my Canadian friends. So this is long-lasting waterproof foundation in the shade True Beige, and she previously 2 years ago she sent me a Flower Beauty foundation and she really nailed my color. So She also nailed on this because I already tested. I don't know why I seal it back. Okay, I think I've added way too much. And for sponge, I'm using a sponge that she sent me last time. They are from Emax Design, and this is the last one that I'm using. And this is actually the medium size. This is mostly for your blush or cream bronzer, but I like it for foundation. Ooh, I love this foundation. It looks really natural, and I remember when I received it, I have swatched it on my hand, and God, that swatch was setting on my hand, so that long lasting it is. I haven't heard anyone mentioning this foundation, even my Canadian friends, but I have a very good feeling about this foundation. It's a little bit late, it's 1 p.m. when I'm applying this, but I can pin a comment or add a comment by the end, letting you know how it was this wearing. Leia, you are my online consultant when I need to pick up a shade. The finish is amazing. It has a satin finish. This is without ring light. I'm loving it! Next, she sent me another Canadian brand, a concealer from the brand Quo Beauty. And I remember other Canadian friends of mine using this, one of them being Ilinka, so I was interested about Quo brand. Yeah, I think this will also match me. This has a slight scent to it. I'm not bothered by the scent, just I want to let you know in case that you are. I would say it's a medium coverage and it matches me perfectly. I need to move the light, it's way too bright here. Natural, very hydrating concealer, it's not heavy or cakey. For setting powder, she sent me this ginormous Marcelle face powder, and she loves this powder. We both love the Catrice one that is discontinued, but she sent me this because she said that this is a good alternative. So let's try it. I'm going to use it first under my eyes. I think it's very nice. I like that the sifter is quite small, so not too much product will come out. Oh, wait, I cannot set my face because she sent me a cream blush by the same brand, by the brand Quo. Okay, this I haven't opened it yet, so let's do it together. This has some pigment to it. It's nice. I think it's also nice for your lips. This is a great color. Okay, let's first dab it like this. This is quite pigmented, but the shade is so nice. And by the way, this necklace and the bracelet, they are also a gift from Leia. She sent them to me last year, and of course I love them dearly. Now for the powder, we are going with Marcelle. I've added that much. This is a fantastic powder. It might be my new favorite powder for foundation try-on, so we will see. My skin looks flawless. So this was the Marcelle face powder. Hypoallergenic face powder. 70 grams of product are here. And I also have a bronzer from the shade from the brand Annabelle. If I'm not wrong, Annabelle and Marcelle are under the same umbrella. It's not too pigmented and has a bit of a sheen to it. I'm going to use this brush by Retouch, which is also a Canadian brand. What I can say is that it's subtle, but it still gives me a hint of color, and it's also very easy to use. It's like foolproof. So yeah, now I'm going to do my brows. And I'm also going to use the Benefit Gimme Brow. And for my eyes, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette that Leia gave me last year or 2 years ago. This is by Too Faced. And it has a berry scent to it. I have some AOA Studio brushes that she sent me. She sent me a whole set, but I don't find all of them. I have a 5-year-old daughter who is from time to time stealing my things. And also I have this highlighter brush from AOA Studio, which I like it, the F19. So I'm going to use this for highlighter, and I will also fill in the gap with some Retouch and some Beige brushes. I'm going to put on some music and continue to do the rest of my makeup. Okay, solved. The situation is saved. One more thing. I want to add a bit of a powder blush. It's from Beige. Let's use something I haven't used in a long while. The Mary Luminizer by The Balm. I have seen that The Balm has sale like 50% on their website, so I'm hoping they don't also have difficulties like Makeup Geek and BH Cosmetics. Some of the beauty brands, I think they have had a lot to suffer with the pandemic, so I'm so sorry to see them leaving. For my lip liner, I'm going to use my BK Beauty in the shade Pink Lady. And I think I'm going to use a dab of this blush, the Quo liquid blush. Actually, it doesn't look bad. Let me retouch a bit the liner, and I also have a feeling that this is the kind of the blush that it sets, because look at my finger. It not only that it sets, but it also stains. So why not use it for your lips as well? And this is my full face of makeup, using mostly products that I have received from my lovely Canadian friend. Thank you again, Leia, for sending me those lovely products. I so much appreciate you and our friendship. I think my life would have been different if I weren't having you in my life. So you are a blessing to me, and I'm so happy that I can call you friend. Thank you so much for all the time thinking of me, for testing me, for asking me how I feel, and also thank you for the lovely message that you wrote me. You know what I'm talking about, the one that you said that also your husband agrees with it. So thank you. You are a truly amazing heart. Thank you so much. So yeah, guys, don't forget to visit Leia. I'm going to have her channel linked down below in my description box. And if you are from Canada and have tried some of those products, I would love to hear what you think. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Have a blessed day. Love you all so much, and I'm going to see you soon with another video right here on this channel. And don't forget, the most beautiful makeup, it's your own smile.